Hi friends, welcome to my home kitchen. Hope you all are having a good time. Today I am preparing fish fry. These are the ingredients for this recipe. We'll need some fish pieces. Here I am using Hilsa fish. You can use any fish of your choice. For 4 to 5 fish pieces, we need 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 4 to 5 red chilies. Soak the red chilies in hot water so that it will be grinded easily. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 teaspoon of rice flour. If you do not have rice flour, then in that case you can use refined flour or corn flour also. Salt to taste. For cooking we need some oil. Let's start our process. First we will make a paste of ginger, garlic and red chili. Put little bit of salt, turmeric powder, make a smooth paste. Now the paste is ready. Now in a bowl put lemon juice, salt, add salt according to your taste and add the paste. Mix it properly. Now put some rice flour on it. Mix the rice flour with the mixture properly. Now we'll marinate the fish with this mixture. Already I have cleaned the fish. Now put the mixture on it. Coat both the side of fish. Coat the fish properly. Coat both the side. And keep it for 30 minutes. Now we'll fry the fish. I have already heated a pan in my workstation. Add some oil. Oil has become hot. Now we'll fry the fish. Fry till its color changes into golden brown. Now check it's done. Now turn the fish. It is ready now. I am going to serve this. Fish fry is ready. Serve this with any item of your choice. Please try it in home and subscribe. Don't forget to give your valuable comments. Hope you liked my video. Keep this space for many more recipes. Bye for now and have a good day ahead.